So the referee will have a pep talk with both goalkeepers. Try and assess the rules clearly. Yes, change pleasantries. That's what the sport is about. So Bando Heart of Lions will be taking the first kick. Benjamin Asari will be facing the first kick. Probably this could be a day he gets to win the heart of the fans of Accra Hearts of Oak, even before the season starts. And as a captain, Ebenezer Abad has been impeccable from 12 yards. He steps up, Ebenezer Abad, and he scores! Easily done, a bit cheeky as well. Just sent the goalkeeper the wrong way, picked the spot, just lays that past Benjamin Asari. And there's a chap who barely misses from 12 yards. Scored 13 Premier League goals last season, and 90% of the goals he scored were from the spot kick. So you bet on him any day, anytime to get a job done. Next, for Hearts of Oak is Yaya Adraman. Adraman, perfectly done. Just lost that one easily. Some top-notch penalty kicks we are seeing already. And it's 1-1 in the shootout. Ebenezer Aban scoring for Heart of Lions, and you have Adraman responding quickly, and we have Asante who came in as a substitute in the second half. His teammate has beaten Benjamin Asari already. Can he do same? Was beautiful. That was nerve-wracking from the substitute. Just look at that. Asari did so well. Got his fingertips to it, but wasn't enough to save that one from going in. You'll just be wondering what is going through the mind of Asante now. That was a scary moment for a second, but that ball managed to squeeze in. Next, another new face for the Phobians as Mauli Wayo. His side trails 2-1 in the shootout. Will he score? Yes, he does. Mauli Wayo makes it 2-2. He points to the crowd. Again, just like we saw from Asante, or say, getting his fingertips to it, but then again, not enough to save that one. Some good shootout, some good kicks here, but neither side yet to falter. And the tension and the pressure keeps on growing for the next kicker and the kicker after that. Ruben Hennessy, can he score? Yes, he does. Expertly take it. And you can see that dance to affirm the good work done. That would have been a big blow to him if he had missed, because earlier on we saw his defensive partner, his centre-back pairing in Alban score. And there you have the chap, another youngster, Ransford Mensah. It was his free kick that actually resulted in the equalizer. He's really shown his quality here. And Hearts of Oak faithfuls will really rely on this chap come next season for some good dead ball deliveries. But This time round, it's business as usual. Can he convert from 12 yards? Ransford Mensah. Yes, he does. Another great penalty. And he walks straight to Benjamin Asari, give him the hug and motivate him for the next kick. But he's shown to be a great kicker. His dead ball qualities is just up there. That's by just playing his first game for Homowo. I think there's quite a lot you can expect from him. And as the goalkeeper, Lawrence will say, every moment for the shot stopper. Can he convert? Yes, he does. And we're thinking, as a goalkeeper, does he go for power placement? But that's just the basics. Goes for power, like any goalkeeper at all would. Or sometimes you see some goalkeepers go for placement, but he decided to go for power. And again, when the shootout grows, then the tension and the pressure equally grows. Opong Afrani is the kicker for Homowo. His side trails 4-3. Can he pull parity for the Phobians? Another nervy moment. Opong Afrani, yes, he does. Onto the roof, on the top of the roof. No mistake at all. Opong Afrani, just look at that. The technique, the delivery, just top notch. Centre back, often deployed as a defensive midfielder for Accra Homowo. And it's Ishmael Ado. Hear that name if you're a Homowo fan. And there's only one Ishmael Ado that comes into mind, the legendary Ishmael Ado. But there's a midfielder for Heart of Lions. Whoa, that is just brilliant. That is brilliant. See, so confident. Doesn't take too many steps backwards. Stays within striking range and just hits that one. And it's Raphael Amponsa. Before we head to sudden death here in the 2024 Gbese Mantse Homowo Charity Cup. Do we have sudden death on our hands? Or Heart of Lions claim supremacy here this afternoon? This kick will tell. Amponsa, will he score? Yes. And it's game on. We are going straight to sudden death and no pressure at all. Expertly taken. Tell you what, we've seen some world-class spot kicks here. Goalkeepers came close a couple of times, but what we've seen here has been top-notch, and it's Danso, the right back, who commences sudden death here. So it's been impeccable from both teams. 10 out of 10, 5 to either side being scored. They've been flawless actually. Who makes the first mistake? Again, another flawless shootout from Danso. And it seems both teams practiced a lot from 12 yards before today. So 11 taken, 11 scored. Who will miss the first? Mohamed Ishaq Sani will step up. So much tension here, all eyes on these players. And you know the stakes are quite high. You score, you keep your team in, you miss, you walk home with nothing. Sani! Wow! What a spot kick! What a spot kick! Again, expertly taken. Let's look at that. Sending the goalkeeper the wrong way. And receives some plaudits from his teammates. And this is Gia. Gia steps up. So 12 taken, 12 scored. They've been impeccable. And it's Gia! Yes! He finishes it. Again. Nerves of steel from the substitute. Just look at that. Very high, up, making it difficult for Benjamin Asari to get anything on that one. You are not saving that. Even the world-class goalkeepers will struggle to keep that one out from Gia. And it's Ahmed Ramzi Yusuf. To kick this one. Does he score? Does he extend the shootout? Yes, he does. Expertly taken. Calmly slaughtered. Just look at that. Again, sending the goalkeeper the wrong way. No chance at all for Lawrence to save. Again, the hug for the goalkeeper. What a day, what a game we are witnessing here at our Crossport Stadium. 14 taken, 14 scored, and it looks like neither of these teams are willing to just falter from 12 yards. Interesting here. And we go, Enim, can he score? Saved! Saved! And the question was, who was going to miss the first kick? Proud to that, we've seen 14 shoots, 14 penalties taken, 14 scored, but that just wasn't good enough from Enim. And there is some hope for the Heart of Oak fans. There is some hope for the Phobians. It took a lot to get back into the game, but it's Benjamin Asari. Can he win it for Heart of Oak? No! Yes, he does! Yes, he wins it for the Phobians! What a penalty it was! For the first time you'll be thinking, Lawrence Asari said that, and you can see the disappointment on the face of the Heart of Lions goalkeeper. He thought he had made a save. He thought he had saved that. But just look at that. Oh, no, hard luck. Hard luck. Hard luck. Just look at that. He saved that for a moment. And just look at that. Yes, his reaction tells it all. But it's Benjamin Asari, the hero for Heart of Oak on his debut. He saved the penalty and he made a winning kick as Heart of Oak claim the 2024 Gbese Mantse Homowo Charity Cup here at the Crossport Stadium. They conceded very early in the game, in the 3rd minute, through a familiar face, Kojoabi Jr. It took them 85 minutes to get back into the game. Through Mohamed Hussein, the substitute, the game went to a shootout. Both teams ensured they scored their first 7 kicks, but it was the former Great Olympic shotstopper who saved from Enim, and he ended up kicking and ensuring the Heart of Oak will win